I just received this adjustable gaming chair. This is a 360 swivel chair with absolutely no installation required. I simply just took it out of the box. It was neatly packaged and neatly folded. I simply took it out of the plastic wrap and unfolded it. What I loved about this chair is that it has 6 adjustable positions. Once you hear the click, you'll know that the chair is locked in place. What I love about this chair also is that it's very versatile, so you could use it for reading, for working, watching TV, playing games, and so much more. This chair is black and red, and it is made of breathable mesh material. As you can see, it does not have an armrest, giving you wider seat space. I'm going to go ahead and give you a close-up on that swivel base. It is 360 degrees and turns. I did like that the bottom base had a cover so it prevents it from scratching up your floors. Also, you are able to remove the mesh cover and it is washable. As you can see, it has a zipper on the back. Simply remove it and it is ready to wash. Once you're done using this chair, fold it back up and conveniently store it in any location. Overall, the quality of this chair was amazing. I enjoyed using it. It was super relaxing, super comfortable, and overall, I would highly recommend.